Good morning, everyone. So today is our third day of the workshop. So in the first day we had learned to load our data in the database. Then we have used the MySQL, where we have done data manipulation. We have used various SQL queries. Then we did the process of data filtration to remove any anomalies. After that, we had learned to draw entity relationship diagram on the website Lucid. So to basically to connect different data sets. Now today I had made a dashboard. So if I am a HR of a company or organization and I want to see that how my organization is going, then simply in minutes I can go through this dashboard, that how much sales, how much order has been done in the past days or in the few months, and on which channel my product is growing. Like we had dashboards for Amazon, Myntra, Flipkart. So in this you can see the sales of Amazon is very high. So data visualization is very efficient in this manner, because we can conclude that how our organization is growing and in which direction we have to work more. So it can be done basically in seconds and minutes. So the workshop was very good and the trainers are really very genuine. So it's not like that we can't learn anything in 3 days. We have learned a lot. Thank you.